Beginning investing with Acorns. Investing can be a daunting task, especially for beginners. With so many options available, it can be hard to decide where to start. Acorns can help with that. Acorns offers a simple and accessible way to start investing with little to no experience, making it a great platform for new investors. We'll go over everything you should know about starting to invest with Acorns in this video. What is Acorns? Acorns is a micro-investing platform that enables users to invest small amounts of money automatically. Users' purchases are rounded up to the nearest dollar, and any leftover change is invested in a diverse portfolio of exchange-traded funds, ETFs. There are 6 different portfolio options available on the platform, each with a different level of risk and return. Getting started with Acorns. To get started with Acorns, simply download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store and sign up for an account. Once you've created an account, you'll need to link a debit or credit card to your Acorns account. Once Acorns has begun analyzing your spending habits, it will automatically round up all of your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the spare change in the portfolio of your choice. Acorns fees. Acorns charges a monthly fee of $3 for accounts with a balance under $5,000 and a management fee of 0.25% per year for accounts with a balance over $5,000. For college students, Acorns is free for up to 4 years. Acorns portfolios. Acorns offers 6 different portfolio options, each with varying levels of risk and return. The portfolios range from conservative to aggressive, allowing investors to choose the portfolio that best aligns with their investment goals and risk tolerance. The conservative portfolio is designed for investors who prioritize capital preservation over growth. It has the lowest level of risk and return and is primarily made up of bonds and cash equivalents. The moderately conservative portfolio is designed for investors who want some exposure to stocks but still prioritize capital preservation. It consists of a mix of bonds, cash equivalents, and conservative ETFs and has a moderate level of risk and return. The moderate portfolio is designed for investors who want a balanced mix of stocks and bonds. It consists of a mix of conservative and aggressive ETFs and has a medium level of risk and return. The moderately aggressive portfolio is designed for investors who want a higher exposure to stocks. It consists mainly of aggressive ETFs and has a higher level of risk and return. The aggressive portfolio is designed for investors who prioritize growth over capital preservation. It consists mainly of aggressive ETFs and has the highest level of risk and return. The Bitcoin ETFs allow you to allocate up to 5% of your investment into Bitcoin to give you further diversification. Acorns investment strategies. Acorns uses modern portfolio theory to construct its portfolios. Modern portfolio theory is an investment strategy that seeks to maximize returns while minimizing risk by diversifying investments across various asset classes. By spreading investments across different asset classes, investors can reduce the risk of their portfolio without sacrificing returns. Acorns also uses tax loss harvesting, a strategy that aims to reduce investors' tax liabilities by selling losing investments to offset gains. By selling losing investments, investors can reduce their capital gains taxes, ultimately increasing their net returns. Acorns advantages. Acorns has several advantages that make it a great platform for beginning investors. First and foremost, Acorns is incredibly easy to use. The app automatically invests users' spare change, making it a hands-off investment option that requires little to no effort. Second, Acorns is affordable. With a monthly fee of $3 for accounts with a balance under $5,000 and a management fee of 0.25% per year for accounts with a balance over $5,000, Acorns is much cheaper than traditional investment options that often charge much higher fees. Finally, Acorns is a great platform for learning about investing. The platform provides educational resources and investment guides, helping users better understand the investment process and make informed investment decisions. Acorns drawbacks. While Acorns has many advantages, there are also some drawbacks to consider. First, Acorns is a relatively new platform, having only been launched in 2014. As such, there is limited historical performance data available for its portfolios. Second, Acorns is primarily designed for beginning investors with smaller portfolios. Although the platform is appropriate for investors seeking to make small investments, it might not be the best choice for more seasoned investors with larger portfolios. Finally, Acorns portfolios are relatively limited in terms of customization. While investors can choose between 5 different portfolio options, they do not have the ability to customize the portfolios beyond this. Conclusion. Overall, Acorns is a great platform for beginning investors looking to get started with investing. The platform is easy to use, affordable, and provides a range of educational resources to help users make informed investment decisions. While there are some drawbacks to consider, such as limited historical performance data and limited portfolio customization options, these are outweighed by the platform's many advantages. If you're interested in beginning to invest with Acorns, we recommend signing up for an account and exploring the platform for yourself. With its ease of use, affordability, and range of portfolio options, Acorns is a great platform for beginning investors looking to take their first steps into the world of investing. Find a link to Acorns in the description below.